If you think birds only fly, then these 3 birds will shake your thinking because their habits, sounds, and behavior are literally designed to scare humans. Number 3, the Screaming Piahau. This small bird from the Amazon has a scream so loud that the entire jungle goes silent for a few seconds. A 115 decibel call, so intense that it makes human ears ring. Imagine hearing this sound deep inside a forest. Number 2, the kiwi bird. It looks cute, but it's far more dangerous than it seems. The kiwi cannot fly, but inside its territory, it can directly attack humans using its sharp claws. Its night vision is so powerful that even the smallest movement in complete darkness doesn't escape its notice. Number 1, the lyrebird, the most dangerous mimic in the world. It can copy human voices, alarms, chainsaws, and even the sound of a crying baby. Hearing these sounds in the jungle, no one can tell what's real and what's a trap. Nature is beautiful, but it's not harmless. If you like dark and unsettling facts, subscribe to 𝙃𝙈'𝙎𝙚𝙧𝙖𝙯 and comment which bird scared you the most.